Yeah, sure is nice. The last couple of days, I don't know
Summer's back.
why last week wasn't like that, but yeah, I like a second chance at summer, you know?
Absolutely.
So, how's it going?
Excellent.
Good, good.
Not a complaint in the world.
That's good.
Every day above ground is a good one.
This is very true. Look at that big socket tray. Is that new?
That's new.
Wow. That's a heavy motherfucker too. Last tray. Is this the last tray you'll ever fucking need? It's called Last Tray 2 Black.
That's the part number.
That is the last tray you'll ever need. That thing's massive. 5 rows of interchangeable posts. Sweet.
I need a new ball.
You need new balls? Cool.
So I want to put it on my windshield.
Oh, on your windshield?
So I can film my
Oh,
offloading
right,
with
yeah.
my phone, because
Yeah.
the quality's actually better than my GoPro.
Well, you have, I don't know about your GoPro, but I don't know what year it is or whatever, but your phone has like image stabilization, right? So,
Yeah.
so it kind of like my phone just glides.
Yeah.
It's super smooth.
I can use this.
Beer keg. Tyler, when am I going to win the beer keg?
Pull in these balls on.
What, do you think the fix is in?
You know my numbers, right? I'll just text them to you. Finally getting your torque
On
wrench.
which? Sorry, I was not looking at you. No. Carbide burrs.
Okay, I need another one of those.
Oh, you dicked her, bud.
Oh, I didn't do it.
Oh, Mateo.
Mateo.
Oh, on that wheel lock yesterday.
Well, dang.
Kid is. Oh man.
Then we fire.
Gone like the wind.
Just like that. Adios, motherfucker.
Hey, somebody said on my Instagram, I can't remember who it was, but someone that works down here in the Lower Mainland, and they said, I just noticed that Mateo was on your video last
I
week.
saw that.
He lasted a day and a half. This is a massive pry bar, man. This thing isn't auto-focusing anymore. It's called the 58-inch Dominator curved pry bar, because this thing dominates everything. It's called the Dominator. Look at this thing, dude. You get like the sheer size of this thing.
That's what she said.
Look at this thing.
Look at the length on this guy.
Careful if you go to check ball joints in an Ionic, you might flip it over.
Oh man, it's not about the length, it's all about the girth sometimes too, though. That thing is huge. That's what she said.
That thing is huge.
Yeah, put it in on the sideways. It's called the Dominator. Yeah.
Perfect.
Like that, huh?
Yeah.
This little ball.
Tyler, I'm gonna find all the new stuff on your truck before you show me.
Makes it easier for me.
I guess so.
I'm okay with it.
tool
Okay,
store.
now
door.
see, you're totally stealing my thunder now.
Okay, yeah. What do you got? Oh, okay.
What's that?
Light.
What the?
Ah.
It's magic, so it goes inside your toolbox.
You put that underneath inside your box,
Yeah.
and it is light activated. You set it. There is a delay.
Yeah.
It'll shut off on its own. We put a delay on it so that if you wave your hand over the sensor or anything like that,
Right.
the light isn't flickering on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off.
Now that is cool.
Power button's fucked up.
ECTS B022. That's super cool. I like that. It's on like magnetic on its side too.
Yeah, on the back or the side.
Interesting.
Either way. Fix that there. And I messed up the set. There we go.
That is a cool new product. You should get some of that for your toolbox.
Decorate your toolbox and a Christmas tree.
The shop's not dark enough for me to do that though.
Well, and it only works in the top
Oh.
drawer, right?
Right. Yeah. Yeah, because otherwise it would knock it off every time that you
Yeah.
open up the drawer. So I was thinking my power drawer, but yeah, that's the same thing. It won't work. Unless you have it
On the side,
on the side of it,
and it will. It has magnets on
yeah. Yeah.
the sides and the back.
That's cool. I like that.
Or you can take it out, use the power button, and just use it as a trouble light.
Yeah. Multi-purpose.
You should,
Little light sensor that you,
Yeah.
magnetic, you stick that,
That's cool.
just under the lip on the back or somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
you should get a wheel lock remover set for the shop. Like,
Just
the shop makes.
get him to give Jay a price.
We need.
I don't
Figured
know.
out that we needed that yesterday.
Yeah, man. Mateo figured out pretty quickly that he couldn't borrow mine.
Yeah. Exactly.
Not new, just generally unknown magnetic trays.
Yeah.
Stick them in there. You wouldn't stick it on the front of your box, obviously, but on the wall, on the side, on your cart, whatever. They come individually or in a 4-pack for all 4 sizes.
Okay. I have 2 of them, I think. I have the long one and the short one. Had them forever. Those magnets are fucking strong as hell, too. Yeah, I like those. So you got a couple of new products coming out, too. That 1/4-inch ratchet. That bent 1/4-inch ratchet. That thing's cool.
Well, then it works like a speeder, right?
Yeah.
And that funny looking little creeper thing.
Yes. Is that thing convertible or something? Like, what does it do?
They call it a close quarter seat, so you can get closer to something.
Okay.
I haven't seen it in person, so I can't wrap my head around it. I don't see how it
Okay.
would be of any benefit over the other one. But
Gotcha.
for our Canadian guys, we can't get Kershaw assisted opening knives anymore.
Really?
So I bought a whole selection of Columbia River.
Have they done away with the assisted knives from Kershaw in Canada?
Well, the Canadian government did. They're legal.
Really? It's a good thing I have a couple.
Can't import them.
That's insane.
Assisted opening. So
That's
there-
actually
Like
really
where
big
there's
news.
nothing on the back.
There may or may not be anything on the back, but the blade is.
It's. I mean, that's still assisted though.
Oh yeah.
It's still on a torsion.
Yes, and I don't know why these are allowed and Kershaw's not. But
Strange. Maybe because it's the way it works with the little lever on the back. I don't know where mine is right now. Oh well. That's cool.
extended grinder.
Oh yeah. That's a Snap-on
Should
one.
get some swords.
Swords.
Oh yeah, I'll buy swords.
Oh man, this auto adjust is not, or autofocus is pissing me off. That's cool. So Mateo needed yesterday.
Yup. You needed everything.
All right, we shouldn't spend too much time on here. We're
I'll
gonna
give you,
get all
Boss
dickered
is
by,
busy.
the boss. All right, guys.
$200.
We'll see you in the shop. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. Jesus Christ, it's been busy. Fuck, like, here, just look at my day. Look at my day. It's nuts. It does not fucking slow down around this place right now, so let me tell you that much right now. We saw some new tools on the truck, and yeah, Tyler, you're a rock star, buddy. In here every fucking day on Wednesday, almost the same time, every single week. If you guys don't have a Snap-on dealer like source one out, get one. He's amazing. So I have to hand it to Tyler every single week for just being a rock star and just being there with us, and yeah. Guys, I have so much on my plate right now. I just want to tell you that. I have fan mail coming out my fucking yin yang right now. I have companies sending me stuff. Just a little Arclusa. These guys here, they sent me a whole bunch of lighting I got to look at. I'm getting some WorkSafe type headphones, earplugs, Bluetooth audio sent to me in the mail. So I just want to let you guys know the videos that I got to be making right now. I just got a nice package in the mail. There is some cool shit in this package, let me tell you. Yeah, so that's coming. It's all coming. So if you guys have sent me something and you guys are wondering when the fuck am I gonna do it, just hold on, because I still got lots more. Just getting back, let's see, I'm getting back to getting everything all done. So Steve Shaw, another one, just, it's been opened and looked at, but just no time, man, no time. So just be patient with me, guys. I got like Emilio! Fuck, man, we're here late right now, believe it or not. It's 10 after 5. We're normally done at 4:30. I'm doing a PDI, getting all that stuff done. So anyway, guys, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you today. Just keep on watching and keep on supporting the channel. I really do appreciate it. By the way, I will be selling I will be finally selling my Snap-on Tool Review stickers, the ones with the new logo. So in an upcoming video, probably in the next week, I will let everyone know how to do it, and I'll have a link to it and all that kind of stuff, and a price tag for all these wicked stickers. So I got to get rid of them. I've been sitting on them for far too long. So yeah, that's it, guys. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe again, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.
Oh, hey, you're still here. Cool. Well, considering you're still here, this link up here will get you subscribed if you're not already. Remember to hit that bell notification so you guys get notified when I upload a new video. This one down here, that is the merch link, so you guys can get sweet ass shirts like this. And that one right there, that is the most recommended video for your viewing pleasure. Sit back, relax, enjoy the next couple of seconds. Thank you.